Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name's Akasha, and in today's video we're going to be doing the Tanghulu Candied strawberries. All you guys are going to need is the strawberries, sugar, optional is thermometer, which I didn't use because it wouldn't fit in the pot. It was about $5 from Walmart. So were these skewers, but you could use like a chopstick or something else instead. And I saw Jelly Bean Celine's video on Instagram. It was like her TikTok posted on Instagram by one of those like random accounts. And I'm just copying what she did in her video. So I took a plate, put oil on it, and I just rubbed it around with a towel, paper towel. But you could use like your fingers or whatever. Honestly, it doesn't matter. This is just so that when we get the strawberries out, the sugar won't stick to the plate. So this will just help it slide right off. And I'm using a measuring cup to measure out half cup water and then a 1 cup of sugar, and we're going to use that and mix it into the pot in just a little bit. But first I wanted to prep my strawberries after pouring out my sugar. And that's because I had washed them the night before, but I didn't cut the tops off, and then I realized I probably should if I'm putting a skewer through it, which this always feels weird to me because I feel like I was taught to like not waste food, so like I always eat the crust of my bread and just stuff like that, you know? So this is just me finishing up cutting off the ends, and then I was gonna put them away and finish putting them on skewers, and I put about 4 on each skewer, and the last skewer had 3 on them because some of mine were rotten, unfortunately. So here it is. Here's my little workplace all tidied up when I'm done, and then you want to put it on high heat and put in your sugar, water, stir it up a little bit, and then don't mix it. Just wait for it to turn this like honey golden brown, I guess I would describe it as. Now, a couple times when I was doing this in the very beginning of like letting it boil, I stirred it a little bit because I forgot, and right there you just saw that my thermometer wouldn't fit inside of there. Also, one side of my pot was like hotter than the other side because of the way that my stove is. That one just does that for some reason. And here's me dipping and just spinning it around before setting it down on the plate. Now, the first one was easy, but the rest of these, like, there wasn't enough like mixture, I guess, to get it like just to stick the skewer in there and spin it around. So I started having to use the spoon, which honestly proves to be more difficult than it should be. And then I turned the heat on because it was starting to harden, and then the thing got too burnt, so like my last skewer is like a little bit burnt, but tastes fine as well. So here's how they look in the end, and here's my brother taste testing.
Christine, can I see you try this?
Huh? No? I didn't bite into the strawberry. So it's like a caramel apple, but a strawberry?
Yeah. But it's not caramel, it's just sugar. Looks like it's glowing in your hand.
It does.
Yeah.
Dripping everywhere.
Yeah, Missy, when did you start growing a beard?
I was having. That's good. Man, get
It's good?
one. Yeah.
Oh, you actually think so?
Okay guys, sorry I'm sniffing so much. I just blew my nose and for some reason it's running again. It's not really sticking on the stick, like it's spinning around, and I saw this video by I think Emmy Made in Japan. I think that's what her username is on YouTube. In her video, she used coffee sticks, like those coffee stirrer sticks, and she cut like the end so that it was pointy, and because those are flat, they weren't spinning around, which is probably a good idea instead of these because they are spinning around. But I just wanted to record the sound so you guys can hear it. Ready guys? Here we go. And I'm kind of nervous because I haven't had like this much sugar in so long because I've been going to the dentist a lot, getting like my teeth filled and everything, but I'm not gonna eat all of these. I'm just gonna try one. Ready?
That was really yummy. See, this is why I don't eat sugar, because it's addicting. This is mostly just strawberry since the piece fell off. These are so yummy. And so sweet. What was I gonna tell you guys? Oh, I've been thinking about doing ASMR. Let me know if you guys like this. I'll do an ASMR. Oh, by the way, guys, I let mine sit in the fridge for like 20 minutes because I didn't want them to be warm. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna eat the rest of these. They're just too good. Or you know what? I'm just gonna eat this one. Oh no, it just dripped. I really want to try ASMR, guys. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that, because I actually bought stuff just for that video and then I never made the video. So I can't do that video. I'm gonna do it at some point. But if you guys want to see it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop there. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. You don't have to if you don't want to. And if you're new to my channel and you're enjoying this, hit the subscribe button. Once again, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I would love if you did. Oh my god, it's in my tooth. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one in a couple days.